Welcome to InstantGMP Training on Inventory Management Part 2. In this session, we'll walk through the process of receiving materials into inventory using the pending receipt screen and updating the status in inventory management. This procedure is critical for maintaining compliance in GMP operations and ensuring full traceability of your raw materials. Let's begin. From the main menu, navigate to the pending receipt screen. This is where all items from approved material requisitions appear, waiting to be received. Locate the requisition tied to your delivery and click the edit icon to begin. You're now on the material receipt form. Enter the quantity of material received and the unit and then enter the vendor lot number. Be sure to verify the actual date the material was received on site. You can add a retest date or an expiration date provided by the supplier. At this stage, you can also attach any supporting documentation such as a certificate of analysis. This will ensure full documentation of the transaction. If this is a partial delivery, simply select Partial Receipt from the drop-down. You'll be able to complete the remaining receipt when the rest of the shipment arrives. When the pending receipt is completed, you can print a label for the material. The status will automatically be quarantine. This step is key to controlling material movement and ensuring your operations remain fully GMP compliant. The material is now officially recorded and moves from the pending receipt screen to the inventory management system, where it becomes part of your traceable inventory. In the inventory screen, you'll see the newly received material with its assigned receipt number, quantity, container information, and current status. From here, the material can be managed, sampled, or released according to your standard operating procedures. And that completes our training on receiving materials into inventory. In our next video, we'll demonstrate how to sample materials and manage their release from quarantine. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next session.